Okay, guys, Ivy here. It's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday deals for 2/1, guys. Already February already. So we're gonna pick up these items right here. One Ajax at $4, one Palmolive at $3.50, one Febreze Air at $3.25, one Crest toothpaste at $1 free, and one Febreze Air at $3.50. Now we're gonna pick up some BOGOs. 4 packs of Cheetos. 2 are free. Let me show you the offer. $4.95. And then you're going to buy 2. It's an offer from Dollar General. So they're saying if you buy 2 of the Fritos, Cheetos, Ruffles, Tostitos, or dips, you'll get 2 free. But if you're doing it on Saturday, guys, we must cover that. I'm going to show you. So let's start scanning. The Palmolive is $4. And it is on sale, BOGO manufacturer. You could get any one of those free. Order of operation, get the $4 Ajax, put it up first. Then, if you want to get the Palmolive at $3.50, put that one up second. Make sure they take the Ajax off first. Let's scan the Febreze can, which is $3.25, $2.30 coupon. That is fantastic. Then we're going to do the Crest Pro Health. At $1, you get a $1 coupon, making it free. Febreze Double Plug, $3.30. You get a $3.30 coupon. Now, it says $3.50, but it's going to ring up $3.30 when you scan it. $4.95. This is what we need to cover, $9.90 from the Cheetos, guys. So let's do the math. $4.95 times 4 is $19.80. $3.50 for the plug, which I remember it'll add up to, it'll go to $3.30. $3.25 for the can, $1 for the toothpaste, $4 for the Ajax, and $3.50 for the Palmolive. $35.05. Now here's where I messed up, guys. When we get down to the $25, I did not take off the $5. Take your 2 $4.95s off first, $25.15. Take your $5 off of that, guys. I did not do it, or that is my error. So I took the $3.50 off of the plug, the $1 off the toothpaste, the $2.30 off of the Febreze can, the $4 off the Palmolive. Took you to $14.35. It should have took you to $9.35. I forgot to take the 5 off 25. Divide that by 9, and you will be paying $1.20 instead of $1.45. So that's my goof up. I want to do this deal because I know a lot of people want to do the freebies. Now, another great deal. I love this deal. Swiffer. Pick 2 Swiffers up. You're going to pick up the Crest toothpaste, the Febreze warmer, and the Febreze spray. Let's scan the Swiffer. The Swiffer is $10. It is save $10 when you buy 2. The reason why it's not a BOGO is because they have other deals in there that's different prices. Remember to take your 5 off of 25, guys. I missed that important step. $3.30, $3.30 off the warmer. Remember, I said $3.50, but it'll go to $3.30. $3.25 off the can, $2.30 coupon. $1 off the toothpaste, a $1 coupon. We're 10 times 2 plus, and that's going to go up to $20. Plus $3.50 for the warmer, $3.25 for the can, and $1 for the toothpaste. $27.75. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $1 off, your $2 off, your $3.50 off, and then take your freebie off. $5.95, guys. Divide that by 5. $1.19. You're going to pay $1.19 for this Swiffer. If you like this deal, let me know. Okay, let's do this deal. Pick up 1 Ajax at $4, 1 Palmolive at $3.50, 1 Febreze Double Plug at $3.50, or $3.30, and 2 Hello deodorants at $7.50. It is a BOGO off on the deodorant. It is a BOGO on the Ajax and Palmolive. Order of operation, put the Palmolive first. $7.50 times 2 is $15, plus $4 on the Ajax, $3.50 for the Palmolive, and $3.50 for the warmer, which is really $3.30. Take you to $26. Take your 5 off 25. take your $7.50 off of your deodorant, take your $4 off the Palmolive, and your $3.50 or $3.30 off of the warmer. Takes you to $6 divided by 5, $1.20, or $1 each, taking away the 20 cents from the warmer. Ajax, $1 each. That is a fantastic deal. Now you can include these two items in like we did on the first deal. 26 plus $1 plus $3.25 take you to $30.25. Take your 5 off 25. Okay. Take your $1 off the toothpaste, $2.30 off the can, $3.50 off the warmer, $4 off the Ajax, $7.50 off of the deodorant, $6.95, $6.95. We're just adding and taking away, guys, whatever you can afford, okay? Do this by your budget. By $7.99, or it'll be 88 cents because I added the extra 20 cents to the warmer. Okay, so that Ajax is actually 88 cents. All right, switch out Palmolive, 88 cents. I would buy these because they're cheaper than the Dollar Owl items. Okay, I know we put freebies in here, and those freebies are going to bring down your cost. Okay, guys, we're going to do 2 Arm & Hammers at $6 each. They both have a $2 coupon. Then we're going to do 1 Febreze Air at $3.25. It is a $2.30 coupon. 1 Snuggle. It's on sale for $3.75. 1 Ajax at $4. 1 Palmolive at $3.50. Order of operation, put up the Ajax first. 1 Febreze plug, that is at $3.50. And 1 Crest Pro Health at $1. Now we're going to look at the Ajax, $6, and there is the $2 coupons for each one. 1 Snuggle, the Snuggle is $3.75. Now 6 times 2 is 12 plus $3.95 for the Snuggle, or $3.75, guys. So excuse me if I switched that around. $3.25 for the Air, $4 for the Palmolive, and $3.50 for the plug. $26.70. Take your 5 off 25, your $1.25 off the Snuggle, your $2 off of the Arm & Hammer, your $2.30 off of the Air, and the $4 off of the Palmolive. $10.15. Divide that by 6. $1.69, guys. The Snuggle is $3.75. Give or take, it depends on what store you're in, okay? That's what it does. It depends on your store. Now, you could do that and add in different products. Remember the order of operation. We're going to do the 2 Ajax Arm & Hammers, $3.75 for the Snuggle, $1 for the toothpaste, $3.50 for the warmer, $4 for the Palmolive, and $3.50 for the Ajax, whichever way. $27.75. Take your 5 off 25. Your $1 off of the toothpaste, your $2 off the Arm & Hammer, $1.25 off the Snuggle, $3.50 off of the warmer, which should be $3.30, and $4 off the Palmolive. Take you to $9, guys, for each one of those. Divide that by how many products? 7, $1.28. I like to show you different ways you could do this deal. If you could pay $1.28 for Arm & Hammer, would you guys do this deal? Let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you. Bye.